what is the aspect of the PyData community that attracts you the most?
It's like a big family. This is what I liked it. I liked when I went there, I felt like it's an amazing atmosphere. Everyone was friendly and helpful. No one was like holding back information or data. In fact, everyone was like excited to share with you and talk to you about their tools and their projects. And they would talk to you also about like how can you resolve their problems and how can you overcome any obstacles you might find. I met a lot of interesting people there, and I'm still in contact with some of them.
So I understand one of your colleagues at Mozn is going to be presenting at PyData Global. Would you like to tell us a little bit about what they'll be speaking on?
We're going to talk about one of the libraries we're working on internally, which is name matching. It's about how Arabic names are written in English or English names are written in Arabic. It's a very interesting talk because this is it's not available anywhere else in the world, and the way the guys developed it in at Mozn, it's very interesting. The way they came up with an algorithm and the text analysis part. There's a lot of NLP work in there that can enable us to change. So you know that when you translate names, it's very hard. So the way you write the name in English can be in different ways for one name in Arabic. So that's one of the things that actually empowered Mozn to develop more around data and have more solutions around data.